episode of Learn to Play Marimba with your co-hosts, Randy and Amy McIntosh. That's us. So today we're working on a song called Shamwari, written in 1999 by this guy, rewritten in 2020 by this guy, and Cooper the Marimba dog. So one of the cool things that Randy's done in this rewrite of this 2-decade-old song is written a lot of high parts for almost all the instruments. So the part we're working on today is second soprano, and this is a part that grew out of the second soprano basic part and then out of the second soprano high part. This one is called ChiExtra, the super high, and Randy's going to break it down for you now.
Second soprano. Starting on E and C, first position, way up here. So E, C, G, G, E, D, B, G, G, D, D, A, F, F, D, B, G, D, D, B, C, G, E, E, C, B, G, D, D, B, A, F, D, D, A, up to G, D, B, A, G, F, start over.
Randy, thanks so much for that awesome ChiExtra second soprano super high variation, which is played in the fourth section of Randy's rewrite of Shamwari. Hope you enjoyed that super high part for the second soprano. Stay safe, have fun, and see you next time, guys.